उड़ान, which means उड़े देश के आम नागरिक, to गोबर, which means galvanizing organic bio-agro resources. They have thrown every absurd acronym possible at the people of this country. So budget, B-U-D-G-E-T, B for betrayal. BJP promised अच्छे दिन. BJP promised अच्छे दिन before coming to power.
নির্মলা সীতারামন বলবে কিন্তু নির্মলা সীতারামন বলতে দেবো না, একদম বলতে দেবো না নির্মলা সীতারামনকে, একদম
On addressing the real issue for the interest of the people, India would not be ranking 111th out of 125 countries in the global hunger index. These people sitting here in the treasury bench needs to know. So they betrayed the marginalized communities. They spoke about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which turned into Jo Hamare Saath, Hum Unke Saath. Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? After the Mangal Sutra and Mujra, sir, after the Mangal Sutra and Murja vilification episode, the government of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, in their infinite wisdom, have mandated that eateries, along with the Kawar Jatra route, display the name of owners and staff members. A move clearly intended to instigate hate speeches and hate crimes targeting the minority community. PM Modi became the Prime Minister for the first time in 2014. Everyone referred to that government as Modi government. When Mr. Modi was elected for a second term in 2019, everyone referred to that term as Modi 2.0. But on June 4, 2024, the people of India decisively rejected the Modi-led BJP government, which reigned supreme almost for a decade. What we now have in place is a creaky, shaky coalition. Yes, sir, coalition. Sir, coalition means cooperation. And no one is referring to this government as Modi 3.0. Not even the Union Finance Minister who presented the budget yesterday. Not even the MPs of the BJP. So that is very clear from the yesterday's budget. It's ironic that BJP, which decried of appeasement politics in the last 10 years, is now ensnared in its tentacles, as in the appeasement politics tentacles, trying to save its own chair. Today is exactly 50 days since the rejection. But PM Modi refuses to accept the reality. He is running a coalition government and he wants everyone to believe that sab changa si. Everything is good. So the defense minister is the same, the commerce minister is the same, the home minister is the same, the external affairs minister is the same,
speaker is also same.
The finance minister is also same. Sir, one thing has changed. I was sitting throughout when the budget was being read. Only the cheerleaders have gone down in numbers. वो bench बजाने वालों का थोड़ा number कमती हो गया है. The number of cheerleaders have gone down because the people of this country denied them an access to this temple of democracy, sir. Sir, from ART means accountability, responsibility, transparency, to Hriday, which means Heritage Development and Augmentation Yojana, to Udan, which means Ude Desh ke Aam Nagarik, to Gobar, which means galvanizing organic bio-agro resources. They have thrown every absurd acronym possible at the people of this country. 110 names. And like I said, I want to reply to this government in a language that this government and the union minister, especially the union finance minister, understand. So budget, B-U-D-G-E-T. It has 6 letters. And I will explain all 6 letters in details. So let me start with B. B for betrayal. BJP promised Achhe Din. BJP promised Achhe Din before coming to power. BJP promised Achhe Din before coming to power in 2014, sir. Sir, what has they done? सुनने का हिम्मत रखिए, सुनने का हिम्मत रखिए. Sir, price rise. Price rise.
निर्मला सीतारामन बोलবে কিন্তু निर्मला सीतारामन বলতে দেব না একদম বলতে দেব না निर्मला सीतारामनকে একদম बैठाइए उनको बैठाइए निर्मला सीतारामन
एक एक को बोलने की इजाजत है. Sir, I have a lot of patience.
Please, Dada, बैठे.
So these things will not distract me. You can just ask them to have patience and listen to what I say. And then the minister can reply. He is not going to become the minister. This is not going to score in brownie points.
इधर बोलिए. Please.
Sir, BJP promised Achhe Din before coming to power in 2014.
Dada, please.
But what has they done? Betrayed citizen, betrayed housewives, betrayed daily wage earners, betrayed farmers. Sir, price rise. A home-cooked veg thali costs 8% more year on year in April 2024. Cylinders prices crossed 1100 in 2023. Household savings plummeted. Household savings plummeted to a 50-year low in 2023, with household debt reaching a record high of 39.1% of GDP in 2024. Sir, in case of earnings, 63 crore people earn less than 308 rupees a day, and 18 crore people earn less than 180 rupees a day. If the NDA government in the last 10 years had spent even a quarter of time it dedicated to political witch hunting and spreading communal hatred on addressing the real issue for the interest of the people, India would not be ranking 111th out of 125 countries in the global hunger index. These people sitting here in the treasury bench needs to know. So they betrayed the marginalized communities. They spoke about Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which turned into Jo Hamare Saath, Hum Unke Saath, as admitted by BJP MLA and the leader of opposition in Bengal Assembly, and proved right by the failed finance minister of this failed government yesterday. It's a crime against scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, which proves that Uttar Pradesh have the highest number of cases of atrocities against Dalit,
Yes.
followed by Rajasthan. Sir, who is in power in Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan? Can these two who are shouting at the top of their voices answer? Who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Who is the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? After the Mangal Sutra and Mujra, sir, after the Mangal Sutra and Murja vilification episode, the government of Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, in their infinite wisdom, have mandated that eateries, along with the Kawar Jatra route, display the name of owners and staff members. A move clearly intended to instigate hate speeches and hate crimes targeting the minority community. We commend and thank the Honorable Supreme Court for swiftly intervening with a stay order against all these discriminatory directives. Sir, vacancies in tribal schools, 10,000 vacancies still lying left in Eklavya school, residential school remains unfilled as of today. Sir, religious representation. Sir, religion belongs to an individual, whereas a festival is for everyone. Like the Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal has said, Dharmo jar jar, Utsav shobar. BJP doesn't have a single Muslim MP. Sir, listen to this. The whole country needs to know. The whole country needs to know that BJP doesn't have a single Muslim MP in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha or any state assembly. बजट का बी पे बोला बिट्रेयल, अब यू पे आता हूं. सर, यू स्टैंड फॉर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. Unemployment rate in a country, unemployment rate in our country rose to an 8-month high of 9.2% in June 2024. Sir, youth employment, sir, youth unemployment, मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार. Sir, when we speak about youth unemployment, sir, look what unemployment has done to this country. This is the perfect example. Sir, they've gone mad. This is what unemployment has done, sir.
Sir, please.
Sir, मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार.
एक मिनट. आप जैसे सुन के आए हैं, ऐसे भी ये लोग भी सुन के आए हैं. तो रेस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. तो आप थोड़ा सा इस भाषा का देखो. प्लीज.
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार,
प्लीज
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार,
आप लोग बैठे. अभिषेक जी प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
मोदी जी की तीसरी बार युवक अभी भी बेरोजगार. Sir, among graduates, it was 13% in 22-23. Among postgraduates and above, it was 12.1% in 22-23. The Skill India mission aimed to train 400 million people by 2022. The young people of this country, the young India, doesn't want to listen to your rhetoric, doesn't want to listen to your empty promises, doesn't want to listen to your 90-minute long budget speeches. They want jobs, J-O-B-S. So women unemployment, that all three states are governed by non-BJP political parties. And I have no qualms or hesitation in saying that BJP and women empowerment simply don't align and is rather paradoxical. So now I come to D, deprive, like the honorable member has deprived. Yes. So D for deprive. Yes. You spent 20,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this to improve the homes of the rich.
Please listen.
Influential
Please.
and powerful.
Please.
What have you done for the homeless in the cities, in the towns, in the villages?
Please सुनिए. जो इस सदन का एक मिनट. जो इस सदन का मेंबर नहीं है, आप इनका बारे में बोल नहीं सकता. प्लीज. ये रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया जाएगा. ये रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया जाएगा.
ममता बनर्जी,
जो इस सदन का मेंबर नहीं है, you please don't mention. Please don't. Dada, please go. Please go back. Please. आपको please. Soumitra Khan ji, please go to your seat, please. Dada, please. Soumitra Khan ji, please. Soumitra Khan ji. आप लोग भी बैठे. हम आसान से खड़ा हो गया. आप ठीक है साहब. ये उतार दीजिए. प्लीज. सौमित्र खान जी.
चलिए. मानिए प्लीज. प्लीज 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 कल्याण जी प्लीज, आपके सदस्य बोल रहे हैं, आपके सदस्य बोल रहे हैं, प्लीज।
एक चीज सर, मैं एक चीज स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ सर। चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन की मेंबर नहीं है,
एक मिनट,
सदस्य नहीं है।
एक मिनट
सर एक बार सुन लीजिए।
एक मिनट प्लीज, माननीय सदस्य आप भी बैठ जाए, एक मिनट। माननीय सदस्यगण, हमें ये प्रयास करना चाहिए कि जो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं हो उसके बारे में टिप्पणी नहीं करें, सभी लोग इसकी पालन करने का प्रयास करें।
सर मैं एक
प्लीज प्लीज बोल दिया ना सबको, बोल दिया।
सर
आप हम लोग तो बोलते हैं, बीजेपी लोग जब करते हैं आप लोग कुछ नहीं बोलते, क्यों नहीं? एक मिनट, क्यों नहीं? आप उनको नहीं बोलने देना चाहते, आप उनको डिस्टर्बेंस कर रहे हैं, प्लीज। अभिषेक जी एक मिनट, अभिषेक जी एक मिनट। मैंने सभी माननीय सदस्यों को, आप डायरेक्शन देंगे क्या मुझे? नो, प्लीज बैठिए, प्लीज। माननीय, ऐसे मत कीजिए प्लीज, ऐसे माननीय सदस्य मेरे मत थपाइए। जब आपको बोल दिया बैठना है तो बैठना है। अभिषेक जी
मैं एक चीज से स्पष्ट करता हूं। ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर ने बोला जो इस सदन के सदस्य नहीं है, कोई भी सदस्य उनके खिलाफ कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेगा। सर मैं आपसे इतना पूछना चाहता हूं, पश्चिम बंगाल के चीफ मिनिस्टर ममता बनर्जी सदन के सदस्य है? नहीं है, तो उन्होंने क्यों टिप्पणी किया? सर आप अपना पद का मान रखिए सर, उनको उठ के बोलिए माफी मांगेगा। देन आई विल कंटिन्यू माय स्पीच। नो सर, you have to intervene. Sir, you're the speaker. You are the speaker of this house. No sir.
एक मिनट प्लीज,
मैं हाथ जोड़ के
प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
आग्रह करता हूं, विनम्र रूप से मैं आग्रह करता हूं सर, उनको बोलिए आप स्पीकर के नाते, अध्यक्ष के नाते, इस सदन का गरिमा के लिए आप उनको बोलिए उठ के वो माफी मांगेगा।
नहीं प्लीज प्लीज, आपको कंटिन्यूस करना है तो करिए। उनका नाम सदन के रिकॉर्ड से निकाल दिया है, नहीं करना है तो आप डायरेक्शन मत दिए कि उनको माफी मंगाइए। आप मुझे डायरेक्शन नहीं दे सकते। मैंने उनका नाम निकाल दिया, ऐसे कई बार हुआ है सदन में, पहले निकाल दिया।
Sir, D for deprive. You spent 2,000 crore on revamping Central Vista. You did this to improve the homes of the rich, influential, and powerful. What have you done for the homeless in the cities, towns, and villages? Why have you deprived the homeless across India and Bengal? You are not only visionless and shameless. You are not.
एक मिनट
Sir, he is not even listening to you.
अब क्यों डिस्टर्ब? मैं बाद में आपकी बात सुन लूंगा।
Sir, he is not
आपकी
even
बात सुन
listening to
लूंगा।
Sir, so
नहीं सब निकाल देंगे प्लीज, निकाल देंगे।
सर ये तो आपका बात भी नहीं सुन रहे। बंगाल में हारने के बाद आपने मनरेगा के लिए बंगाल में कितना पैसा दिया, और आवास योजना में 2021-22, 22-23, 23-24 फाइनेंशियल वर्ष में आपने अगर साबित कर दिया व्हाइट पेपर रिलीज करके कि 10 पैसा दिया है, 10 पैसा। सर देखिए मैं व्हाइट पेपर मांग रहा हूं, ये चिल्ला रहे, अरे भैया व्हाइट पेपर दे दो, व्हाइट पेपर दे दो, कहानी खत्म। सर जिसके पास कागज नहीं होगा, सर व्हाइट पेपर मांग रहे हैं, सर व्हाइट पेपर मांग रहे हैं, चिल्ला रहे, इनके पास कागज नहीं है और पूरा देश से कागज मांग रहा है सीए का नाम पे। ये बीजेपी है, ये बीजेपी है।
आप बीच में मत टोपिए।
Sir, Manrega funds to the tune of 6,913 crore have been forcefully withheld, denying wages to more than 59 lakh workers over the past 3 years. Sir, 11,36,000 eligible families have been deprived of a roof over their heads, as 8,140 crore rupees under PM Awas Yojana have been deliberately halted. In West Bengal, we demonstrated that where there's a will, there is a way. We achieved substantial female representation without grandstanding in the media. That's the difference. Sir, this government is depriving the students. तीसरी बार मोदी सरकार खो गया है शिक्षा का अधिकार. From class 1 to class 8, students account for 8% of total suicide victims. More than 13,000 students' lives are lost every year because of suicide, sir. Sir, depriving the working class, मजदूर की जेब हो रही है खाली. बताओ कब ये हालत है सुधरने वाली? Sir, ILO data reveals that the growth rate of real wages between 2006 and 2013 was 6%. So the data suggests that the growth rate of real wages from 2006 to 2013 was at 6%. Between 2014 to 2021, it's down to 1.4%. The Indian Railways made a bold proclamation about upgrading 40,000 conventional coaches to Vande Bharat standards, turning a blind eye to the genuine struggle faced by everyday travelers, neglecting the fact that almost 96% of passengers journey in general and non-AC coaches. They continue to endure grave risks and vulnerabilities compounded by this government's sheer ineptitude. So now I come to G. G for guarantee. But a guarantee, sir, खुद बोल रहा है उसका सरकार का घोटाला, sir. देखिए. Sir, thank you. I would take that acronym. He's very good. Sir, G for guarantee, G for घोटाला. Need घोटाला and a guarantee with zero warranty. They guaranteed to end terrorism, failed again. More than 50 soldiers died in Jammu and Kashmir terrorist attack in the last 32 months. From 2018 to 2022, Jammu and Kashmir has seen 761 terrorist attacks and incidents leading to 174 civilian casualties. You make all the big promises, but you fail to keep them. You give all the guarantees, but those guarantees come with zero warranty. Sir, under this budget, one thing is clear. The only thing that is growing faster than price rise and inflation is BJP's list of broken promises and guarantees. So we have B for betrayal, U for unemployment, D for deprive, G for guarantee. मैंने बोला ना सर, ये एक्रोनिम की सरकार है तो मैं एक्रोनिम में ही जवाब दूंगा. तो बजट का B था betrayal, U था unemployment, D था deprive, G था guarantee. अब मैं E पे आता हूं. Sir, E for eccentric. Sir, now I come to farm bills. In 2020, the same Modi government unilaterally passed 3 contentious farm bills without any consultation with the farmers or farmer organization or any opposition party.
प्लीज इसको रिकॉर्ड को क्लियर कर लो. इस सदन में 5.5 घंटे चर्चा हुई थी. इस सदन में किसान विधेयक. हाँ,
हुआ है. बिल पे कोई चर्चा नहीं हुआ है. बिल पे कोई चर्चा नहीं हुआ है.
किसान बिल पर
सर,
जब स्पीकर बोलता है तो बोलता है और वो सही बोलता है.
सर, बिल पे कोई चर्चा नहीं हुआ है. सर भाई, इनका ताली बजाना खत्म हो जाए तो
नहीं पर माने
सर, आपने ये सदन का याद दिलाया ना.
1 मिनट माने सदस्य.
सर, आपने ये सदन का याद दिलाया.
माने सदस्य, जब मैं बोल रहा हूं तो मैं कभी गलत नहीं बोलता.
सर, आप मुझे एक चीज बता दीजिए. इस सदन में जो लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं, एक सेकंड सर, इस सदन में जो लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं, 700 फार्मर्स मारे गए, उनको मौत की घाट उतारा गया. सर, 1 मिनट एक आदमी ने एक मिनट के लिए खड़ा होके उनके ऊपर श्रद्धांजलि दिया. ये आज ताली बजा रहे, इसीलिए ऐसा हाल है इनका. और सर 700 लोग मारे गए. ट्रेजिकली ओवर. क्या 700 farmers died. 700 farmers died. What did you do? You people have blood on your hands. You people have blood on your hands. You people have blood on your hands. In 2020, sir, this contentious farm bills
এই চুপ করা क्या
were
करता
passed without any consultation with the opposition parties or farmers' organization. Sir, these bills sparked massive protests as farmers. सर मैं एक बात स्पष्ट कर देता हूँ, एक चीज सर, ये जो बोल रहा है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ बीजेपी से, मैं जो सवाल यहाँ पे पूछ रहा हूँ इनसे, या मिनिस्टर को जवाब देना है, इनमें से कोई भी अगर जवाब देना चाहता है, कोई भी मीडिया चैनल चूज कर ले, मुझे टाइम बता दे, मैं आ जाऊंगा, एक हाथ लग
ये
मैं कह रहा हूँ सर, इनका दम है, इनका सीने में दम है,
आप अपनी बात कहिए।
और अगर हिम्मत है तो ये
आप
accept करें।
चुनौती मत दीजिए, आप अपनी
I
बात
am
कीजिए।
giving them,
नो,
I am challenging them to
आप नो
come,
चुनौती मत दीजिए सदन
come
में।
and debate with me.
नो चुनो, ये बार चुनौती देना, या चुनौती सदन में नहीं।
Sir, harsh measures such as barbed wires, cement boulders, and iron spikes were deployed on the roads to block farmers from entering the capital. This reveals the true face of this fascist government. Sir,
अगर
demonetization.
आप ये खबर फेसबुक पर देख रहे हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक करके पेज को फॉलो करें। इसके अलावा अगर आप इस खबर से यूट्यूब के जरिए जुड़े हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। नमस्कार।